coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 nautical miles. Outer waters from Sandy Hook to Manna, Swan Inlet, New Jersey, out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 8:15 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Sandy Hook Reef to 9 nautical miles northwest of Silverton, moving east at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Ocean Gate, Seagirt Reef, Atlantic Highlands, Monmouth Beach, Seabright, Axel Carlson Reef, Silverton, Fairhaven, La Valette, Shark River Reef, Point Pleasant Beach, Belmar, Seaside Park, Manna, Swan Inlet, Pine Beach, and Sandy Hook Reef.